Eating healthy can sometimes require making real sacrifices, but that doesn't mean you have to be boring or give up on flavor. Take this easy recipe that we call Creamy Keto Chicken a la Skillet. Golden chicken, bell peppers, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, all in a creamy sauce. A delicious dish that takes just 30 minutes to prepare. Creamy Keto Chicken a la Skillet. First, slice 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in half to make thinner, and put aside. Then into a bowl mix 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and then sprinkle your mix over both sides of the chicken. Now let's get ready to cook. Over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 1/2 teaspoons of butter. Add your cutlets. Sear until golden brown on both sides, but leave space around your chicken, otherwise they'll just steam. Sear for 7 to 8 minutes on each side and then set aside. Now for the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then scrape and stir in the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. Then add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 3 small sliced colored bell peppers, 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves or 4 to 5 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then add 1/4 cup of your favorite dry white wine. Sauté for 5 minutes. Now stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Stir in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, or half and half, and then mix well and let cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium. Add 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then turn down to low. Then return your chicken cutlets and simmer for 5 to 8 minutes until fully cooked. Prepare for a real treat. Healthy has never tasted so good. On the side, add your own favorite keto side dish. Here we added some oven-roasted asparagus to make a low-carb, healthy meal that's sure to appeal. Creamy Keto Chicken a la Skillet.